If you wish to have edge lighting or edge lights on a Nothing Phone 4a or 4a Pro, then in that case we need to use a third-party app that allows us to get edge lights. So for that reason, we're gonna go to the Play Store, and then over here you can simply search for something like edge lights or edge lighting or something like that. So let's say we're gonna use edge lighting phrase over here. And as you can see, we have many different apps that, at least in theory, should be able to allow you to use some sort of edge lights for notifications. Now, in my case, I'm going to use this app over here, Movies Edge, AOD, and Edge Lights, and I'm going to show you how to set this one up. But feel free to try anything else that you can find in the Play Store. I actually encourage you to do so because you might be able to find something that you like more than this app. So we're going to open the app. I'm going to show you how to set it up. First, we need to tap on Draw Over Apps and then wait for the next menu to appear. In here, we're going to scroll down. You want to choose Movies Edge, and then you want to allow the app to display over other apps. And we're going to go back. Now, once we go to the app, the first thing that we're going to do is, of course, make sure that you have Edge Lights selected. And in here, we have Show On, so we can toggle these options. If you tap on them, you might need to grant permissions, so be sure to do that whenever it is necessary. In here, if you open this menu, we need to find the app again. So we're going to choose Movies Edge, and we need to allow notification access for the app. All right, so now here we're going to start from the upper left corner where we have lines. We can tap over here in order to choose the effect that we wish to use. So we have lines, particles, lights, and waves. And of course, you can use whatever you want to. There are a couple of premium options, so you cannot actually use all of these options, but you should be able to find something that you like, probably. So in my case, I'm gonna use this one over here. This one feels pretty simple. In the upper right corner, we have the color palette. So we can use any of these palettes, or you can go to collections in order to add your own colors, for example. And we can also use this plus button in the upper right corner in order to create your own palette. So let's say I'm gonna choose this palette over here. And then what we can do is, of course, we can just simply tap on this pen icon that allows you to also adjust some further options, like, for example, the thickness of these lines. These options, of course, depend on the effect itself. For example, for lines, we have thickness, spread, length, speed, and mass. And for other effects, you might be able to find different options. So let's make some adjustments. Let's slow it down, for example, a little bit. And there is also the mass. So let's say we're going to use something like that. And of course, we want to save our changes. There we go. And we want to apply. So we can tap on Apply button in order to start using it. Now, another thing that is worth mentioning is the app also offers custom AODs. And if you want to stick with the standard AOD that we have on this phone, then of course you can go to Settings. Then we're going to go to Always on Display, and you want to completely turn it off. Besides that, there is also edge lighting option in here, so you can, for example, find some additional options that you might want to take a look at. Like, for example, here we have the music overlay settings, so you might want to check out these settings if needed. But generally speaking, that is pretty much it. It might be just necessary to turn off AOD. This might be one of the most important settings out there if you don't want it to interfere with the default AOD. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.